10 diagnostic characteristics and examples, biology and 10 economic importance of jacity. ChatGPT. Jacity leafhoppers, a comprehensive exploration. Jacity, commonly known as leafhoppers, belong to the family of insects within the order Hemiptera. These small insects play important ecological and economic roles in various ecosystems. Let's delve into the Jacity leafhoppers, a comprehensive exploration. Jacity, commonly known as leafhoppers, belong to the family of insects within the order Hemiptera. These small insects play important ecological and economic roles in various ecosystems. Let's delve into the world of jacity, covering their diagnostic characteristics, examples, biology, and economic importance. 1. Diagnostic characteristics. Small size. Leafhoppers are typically small insects, ranging from 3 to 15 millimeters in length. Slender body. They have an elongated and slender body shape. Wings. Leafhoppers possess 2 pairs of wings, with the forewings usually narrow and leathery. Hind legs. Well-developed hind legs adapted for jumping. Coloration. Varied colors and patterns, often suited for camouflage. 2. Examples of jacity. Potato leafhopper Emposca fabi, a significant pest of potato crops, causing damage by feeding on plant sap. Rice leafhopper Nephotetics spp, a major pest of rice crops, transmitting plant pathogens. Sharpshooter leafhoppers Cicadelity spp, some species are vectors of plant diseases, impacting agricultural crops. 3. Biology. Feeding habits. Leafhoppers feed on plant sap using their piercing sucking mouthparts. Plant hosts. Leafhoppers feed on a wide variety of plants, including crops, ornamentals, and weeds. Reproduction. Leafhoppers undergo incomplete metamorphosis, with egg, nymph, and adult stages. Reproduction. Leafhoppers undergo incomplete metamorphosis, with egg, nymph, and adult stages. Behavior. Leafhoppers can exhibit jumping behavior when disturbed, using their powerful hind legs. 4. Economic importance. Crop pests. Many leafhopper species are agricultural pests, causing damage to crops by feeding on plant sap. Plant pathogen vectors. Some leafhoppers transmit plant pathogens that cause diseases in crops, impacting yield and quality. Honeydew production. Leafhoppers, like other Hemiptera, produce honeydew, which can lead to city mold growth on plants. Beneficial predators. Leafhoppers serve as prey for beneficial insects, contributing to natural pest control. Honeydew production. Leafhoppers, like other Hemiptera, produce honeydew, which can lead to city mold growth on plants. Beneficial predators. Leafhoppers serve as prey for beneficial predators. Leafhoppers serve as prey for beneficial insects, contributing to natural pest control. Research. Leafhoppers are studied to understand their feeding habits, vector capabilities, and interactions with plants. 5. Conservation and management. Integrated pest management. Strategies involve monitoring populations, cultural practices, biological controls, and targeted pesticide use. Biodiversity conservation. Beneficial insects that prey on leafhoppers contribute to maintaining ecological balance. In conclusion, jacity, or leafhoppers, are insects with ecological and economic significance. While some species play roles in transmitting plant diseases and damaging crops, they also serve as prey for beneficial insects and contribute to the dynamics of food chains. Understanding their biology, behavior, and economic impact is essential for developing effective pest management strategies and maintaining ecosystem health. Balancing their roles in ecosystems and managing their impact on agriculture ensures sustainable practices and biodiversity conservation. 10 diagnostic characteristics and examples, biology and 10 economic importance of cercopity. ChatGPT. Cercopity froghopers or spittlebugs, a comprehensive exploration. Cercopity froghopers or spittlebugs, a comprehensive exploration. Cercopity. Cercopity, commonly known as froghopers or spittlebugs, belong to the family of insects within the order Hemiptera. These small insects have unique behaviors and interactions with plants that contribute to ecosystem dynamics. Let's delve into the world of cercopity, covering their diagnostic characteristics, examples, biology, and economic importance. 1. Diagnostic characteristics. Small size. Froghopers are relatively small insects, measuring between 3 to 12 millimeters in length. Body shape. They have a compact, robust body with a hunched appearance. Coloration. These small insects have unique behavior. Cercopity froghopers or spittlebugs, a comprehensive exploration. Cercopity, commonly known as froghopers or spittlebugs, belong to the family of insects within the order Hemiptera. These small insects have unique behaviors and interactions with plants that contribute to ecosystem dynamics. Let's delve into the world of cercopity, covering their diagnostic characteristics, examples, biology, and economic importance. 1. Diagnostic characteristics. Small size. Froghopers are relatively small insects, measuring between 3 to 12 millimeters in length. Body shape. They have a compact, robust body with a hunched appearance. Coloration. Varied colors and patterns, often resembling bark or plant parts. Hind legs. Strong hind legs adapted for jumping, contributing to their characteristic leaping behavior. 2. Examples of cercopity. Meadow spittlebug Felinus spumarius, a common species that produces characteristic frothy spittle on plants. Buffalo treehopper Stichocephala bisonia, known for its unique helmet-like thoracic projection. 3. Biology. Feeding habits. Froghoppers are known for their unique feeding behavior, involving the production of protective frothy spittle. Spittle production. Nymphs of froghoppers create spittle masses by mixing plant sap with air bubbles, offering protection from predators and desiccation. Life cycle. Frogghoppers are relatively small insects, measuring between 3 to 12 millimeters in length. Body shape. They have a compact, robust body with a hunched appearance. Coloration. Varied colors and patterns, often resembling bark or plant parts. Hind legs. Strong hind legs adapted for jumping, contributing to their characteristic leaping behavior. 2. Examples of cercopody. Meadow spittlebug Felinus spumarius, a common species that produces characteristic frothy spittle on plants. Buffalo treehopper Stichocephala bisonia, known for its unique helmet-like thoracic projection. 3. Biology. Feeding habits. Frogghoppers are known for their unique feeding behavior, involving the production of protective frothy spittle. Spittle production. Nymphs of frogghoppers create spittle masses by mixing plant sap with air bubbles, offering protection from predators and desiccation. Life cycle. Frogghoppers undergo incomplete metamorphosis, with egg, nymph, and adult stages. Behavior. Adults and nymphs are strong jumpers, capable of leaping significant distances to escape predators. 4. Economic importance. Plant damage. While frogghoppers themselves may not cause extensive damage, their feeding behavior can weaken plants and make them more susceptible to diseases. Vector potential. Some frogghoppers can transmit plant pathogens, impacting crop health. Habitat modification. The frothy spittle masses produced by nymphs can alter plant physiology and create microhabitats for other organisms. Natural predators. Frogghoppers serve as prey for various insects, contributing to natural pest control. Research. Frogghoppers are studied to understand their interactions with plants, physiology, and protective behaviors. 5. Conservation and management. Ecosystem dynamics. Froghoppers contribute to nutrient cycling and food chains in ecosystems. Integrated pest management. Strategies involve monitoring populations, understanding spittlebug interactions with plants, and implementing appropriate control measures. In conclusion, Cercopody, or froghoppers, are insects with distinctive behaviors and ecological roles. While their economic impact is not as significant as other pests, their interactions with plants and contributions to ecosystems are noteworthy. Understanding their biology, behavior, and economic importance helps guide pest management practices while considering their role within the intricate web of life. Balancing their interactions with plants and their potential impacts on agriculture is essential for sustainable practices and ecosystem health. 10 diagnostic characteristics and examples, biology and 10 economic importance of Membracity. ChatGPT. Membracity treehoppers, a comprehensive exploration. Membracity, commonly known as treehoppers, belong to the family of insects within the order Hemiptera. These unique insects are recognized for their distinctive shapes and behaviors, contributing to both ecological interactions and scientific intrigue. Let's delve into the world of Membracity, covering their diagnostic characteristics, examples, biology, and economic importance. 1. Diagnostic characteristics. Distinctive shapes. Treehoppers have a remarkable variety. Distinctive shapes. Treehoppers have a remarkable variety of shapes, often resembling thorns, spines, or other plant structures. Pronotum, located on the dorsal side of the thorax, is often highly modified into elaborate structures. Antennae. Treehoppers have short antennae with several segments. Coloration. Varied colors and patterns, often suited for camouflage. 2. Examples of Membracity. Buffalo treehopper, Stichocephalobaisonia, known for its prominent thoracic projection resembling a buffalo's head. Thorn mimic treehopper, Umbonia crassicornis, resembles thorns on plants, contributing to camouflage. 3. Biology. Feeding habits. Treehoppers use piercing sucking mouthparts to feed on plant sap. Protective behavior. Some treehoppers exhibit protective behaviors, such as flicking or vibrating to deter predators. Parental care. Females of some species display maternal care, guarding eggs and nymphs. Life cycle. Treehoppers undergo incomplete metamorphosis, with egg, nymph, and adult stages. 4. Economic importance. Plant damage. While treehoppers may not cause extensive damage themselves, their feeding can weaken plants and make them more susceptible to diseases. Vector potential. Some treehoppers can transmit plant pathogens, impacting crop health. Research. Treehoppers are studied to understand their diverse shapes, protective behaviors, and ecological roles. 5. Ecological significance. Plant interactions. Treehoppers interact with plants in unique ways, often using their shapes for camouflage and deterring predators. Predator-prey dynamics. Treehoppers serve as prey for various insects, contributing to food chains and ecosystems. 6. Aesthetic value. Treehoppers' diverse and often intricate shapes contribute to the aesthetic value of natural landscapes. In conclusion, Membracity, or treehoppers, are insects with unique morphological characteristics and ecological roles. While their direct economic impact is not as significant as other pests, their interactions with plants and other organisms contribute to the complexity of ecosystems. Understanding their biology, behavior, and contributions to ecosystems enriches our understanding of the intricate web of life. Balancing their ecological interactions with their potential impacts on agriculture is essential for sustainable practices and the preservation of biodiversity. 10 diagnostic characteristics and examples, biology and 10 economic importance of Aphididae. ChatGPT. Aphididae aphids, a comprehensive exploration. Aphididae, commonly known as aphids, are a diverse and economically important family of insects within the order Hemiptera. These small insects are recognized for their rapid reproduction, ability to feed on plant sap, and their role in transmitting plant diseases. Let's delve into the world of Aphididae, covering their diagnostic characteristics, examples, biology, and economic importance. 1. Diagnostic characteristics. Small size. Aphids are tiny insects, typically ranging from 1 to 10 millimeters in length. Soft body. They have soft, pear-shaped bodies with distinct head, thorax, and abdomen. Antennae. Aphids have long, slender antennae with several segments. Cornicles. Aphids possess paired structures called cornicles or sipunculi, which protrude from the rear end. Cornicles. Aphids possess paired structures called cornicles or sipunculi, which protrude from the Small size. Aphids are tiny insects, typically ranging from 1 to 10 millimeters in length. Soft body. They have soft, pear-shaped bodies with distinct head, thorax, and abdomen. Antennae. Aphids have long, slender antennae with several segments. Cornicles. Aphids possess paired structures called cornicles or sipunculi, which protrude from the rear end. Coloration. Varied colors, often green, brown, or pink. 2. Examples of Aphididae. Green peach aphid Mysis persicae, a major pest of various crops, including peaches, potatoes, and vegetables. Cabbage aphid Brevicorine brassicae feeds on cabbage family plants, causing damage to crops. 3. Biology. Feeding habits. Aphids feed on plant sap using their piercing sucking mouthparts. Reproduction. Aphids exhibit rapid reproduction through parthenogenesis, giving birth to live nymphs without mating. Wing development. Aphid populations often include both winged and wingless individuals. Life cycle. Aphids undergo feeding habits. Aphids. Green peach aphid Mysis persicae, a major pest of various crops, including peaches, potatoes, and vegetables. Cabbage aphid Brevicorine brassicae feeds on cabbage family plants, causing damage to crops. 3. Biology. Feeding habits. Aphids feed on plant sap using their piercing sucking mouthparts. Reproduction. Aphids exhibit rapid reproduction through parthenogenesis, giving birth to live nymphs without mating. Wing development. Aphid populations often include both winged and wingless individuals. Life cycle. Aphids undergo incomplete metamorphosis, with egg, nymph, and adult stages. Honeydew production. Aphids excrete honeydew, a sugary substance, while feeding on plants. 4. Economic importance. Crop pests. Aphids are notorious agricultural pests, damaging a wide range of crops by sucking sap and transmitting diseases. Vector of plant diseases. Aphids can transmit plant viruses, contributing to reduced crop yields and quality. Honeydew and city mold. Honeydew produced by aphids attracts ants and can lead to city mold growth on plants. Beneficial insects. Aphids serve as food for natural predators, contributing to biological pest control. Research. Aphids are studied to understand their biology, feeding behaviors, and interactions with plants. 5. Management and conservation. Small size, aphids are tiny insects, typically ranging from 1 to 10 millimeters in length. Soft body, they have soft, pear-shaped bodies with distinct head, thorax, and abdomen. Antennae, aphids have long, slender antennae with several segments. Cornicles, aphids possess paired structures called cornicles or sipunculi, which protrude from the rear end. Coloration, varied colors, often green, brown. Cornicles, aphids possess paired structures called cornicles or sipunculi, which protrude from the rear end. Coloration. Integrated pest management. Strategies involve monitoring populations, cultural practices, biological controls, and targeted pesticide use. Biodiversity conservation. Beneficial insects that prey on aphids contribute to maintaining ecological balance. Green peach aphid Mysis persicae, a major pest of various crops, including peaches, potatoes, and vegetables. Cabbage aphid Brevicorine brassicae feeds on cabbage family plants, causing damage to crops. 3. Biology. Feeding habits. Aphids feed on plant sap using their piercing sucking mouthparts. Reproduction. Aphids exhibit rapid reproduction through parthenogenesis, giving birth to live nymphs without mating. Wing development. Aphid population. Feeding habits. Aphids feed on plant sap using their piercing sucking mouthparts. Reproduction. Aphids exhibit rapid reproduction through parthenogenesis, giving birth to live nymphs without mating. Wing development. Aphid populations often include both winged and wingless individuals. Life cycle. Aphids undergo incomplete metamorphosis, with egg, nymph, and adult stages. Honeydew production. Aphids excrete honeydew, a sugary substance, while feeding on plants. 4. Economic importance. Crop pests. Aphids are notorious agricultural pests, damaging a wide range of crops by sucking sap and transmitting diseases. Vector of plant diseases. Aphids can transmit plant viruses, contributing to reduced crop yields and quality. Honeydew and city mold. Honeydew produced by aphids attracts ants and can lead to city mold growth on plants. Beneficial insects. Aphids serve as food for natural predators, contributing to biological pest control. Research. Aphids are studied to understand their biology, feeding behaviors, and interactions with plants. 5. Management and conservation. Integrated pest management. Strategies involve monitoring populations, cultural practices, biological controls, and targeted pesticide use. Biodiversity conservation. Beneficial insects that prey on aphids contribute to maintaining ecological balance. In conclusion, aphididae, or aphids, are insects with significant ecological and economic roles. Their rapid reproduction, sap-sucking behavior, and potential to transmit diseases make them important subjects of study and management in agriculture. Understanding their biology, behavior, and economic impact is essential for developing effective pest management strategies and preserving the balance of ecosystems. Balancing their roles as pests with their contributions to food chains and ecosystems is crucial for sustainable practices in biodiversity conservation. 10 diagnostic characteristics and examples, biology and 10 economic importance of Nebidae. ChatGPT. Nebidae, water scorpions, a comprehensive exploration. Nebidae, commonly known as water scorpions, are a unique and fascinating family of insects within the order Hemiptera. These aquatic insects are recognized for their resemblance to scorpions, their ability to live in aquatic habitats, and their role in aquatic ecosystems. Let's delve into the world of Nebidae, covering their diagnostic characteristics, examples, biology, and economic importance. 1. Diagnostic characteristics. Aquatic adaptation. Water scorpions have adapted to aquatic habitats, with specialized structures for breathing and capturing prey underwater. Long legs. They possess long, slender legs adapted for movement in water. Raptorial forelegs. Water scorpions have modified forelegs for capturing and immobilizing prey. Abdominal respiratory siphon. An elongated respiratory structure extends from the abdomen to the water's surface, allowing them to breathe while submerged. Coloration. Typically brown or mottled, helping them blend into their aquatic environment. 2. Examples of Nebidae. Nepocynaria. Found in freshwater habitats, ranging from ponds to slow-moving streams. Ranitra spp. Also known as water stick insects, they exhibit a flattened body shape resembling sticks. 3. Biology. Aquatic lifestyle. Water scorpions are adapted for life in freshwater habitats, including ponds, lakes, and slow-moving waters. Respiration. They breathe through the abdominal respiratory siphon, extending to the water's surface. Feeding habits. Water scorpions are predators, using their raptorial forelegs to capture small aquatic organisms. Life cycle. Water scorpions undergo incomplete metamorphosis, with egg, nymph, and adult stages. Behavior. They are often sit-and-wait predators, relying on camouflage to ambush their prey. 4. Ecological significance. Predator-prey dynamics. Water scorpions play a role in controlling populations of small aquatic organisms. Ecosystem balance. By controlling prey populations, they contribute to maintaining balanced aquatic ecosystems. 5. Economic importance. Bioindicators. Water scorpions are sensitive to changes in water quality, making them potential indicators of aquatic ecosystem health. Research. Water scorpions are studied to understand their adaptations to aquatic habitats, feeding behaviors, and interactions with other aquatic organisms. In conclusion, Nebidae, or water scorpions, are insects uniquely adapted to aquatic life, with specialized structures and behaviors for survival in freshwater habitats. While they may not have significant direct economic importance, their role in aquatic ecosystems and sensitivity to water quality make them valuable subjects of ecological research. Understanding their adaptations, behavior, and contributions to ecosystem dynamics enriches our understanding of the intricate web of life in aquatic environments. Balancing their roles within ecosystems and their potential indicators of environmental health is essential for preserving aquatic biodiversity and ensuring the sustainability of freshwater habitats. 10 diagnostic characteristics and examples, biology and 10 economic importance of Gerardi. ChatGPT. 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 Gerardi, water striders, a comprehensive exploration. Gerardi, commonly known as water striders, are a family of insects within the order Hemiptera. These remarkable insects are recognized for their ability to glide on the water's surface, their unique leg adaptations, and their role in aquatic ecosystems. Let's delve into the world of Gerardi, covering their diagnostic characteristics, examples, biology, and economic importance. 1. Diagnostic characteristics. Long legs. Water striders have long, slender legs that allow them to skate on the water's surface. Hydrophobic leg adaptations. Their legs are covered in fine, water-repellent hairs that prevent them from breaking the water's surface tension. Body shape. Water striders have an elongated body shape with a relatively small head and large legs. Antennae. They possess antennae that are often shorter than their bodies. Coloration. Typically brown or black, helping them blend into their aquatic environment. 2. Examples of Gerardi. Common water strider, Gerris spp, found in freshwater habitats like ponds, lakes, and slow-moving streams. Giant water bug, Lethoceros spp, a large water bug species that also belongs to the family Gerardi. 3. Biology. Surface skating. Water striders use the surface tension of the water to skate on its surface, propelled by their leg movements. Feeding habits. They are predators, feeding on small aquatic organisms that fall onto the water's surface. Respiration. Water striders breathe through tiny pores in their exoskeletons. Life cycle. Water striders undergo incomplete metamorphosis, with egg, nymph, and adult stages. Behavior. They exhibit territorial behaviors and mate on the water surface. 4. Ecological significance. Predator-prey dynamics. Water striders play a role in controlling populations of small aquatic insects on the water surface. Food web. They are an important food source for aquatic predators such as fish and birds. 5. Economic importance. Bioindicators. Water striders are sensitive to changes in water quality, making them potential indicators of aquatic ecosystem health. Research. Water striders are studied to understand their hydrophobic adaptations, behavior, and interactions with other aquatic organisms. In conclusion, Gerardi, or water striders, are insects uniquely adapted to life on the water's surface, with specialized leg adaptations and behaviors that allow them to skate on water. While they may not have significant direct economic importance, their role in aquatic ecosystems and their sensitivity to water quality make them valuable subjects of ecological research. Understanding their adaptations, behavior, and contributions to ecosystem dynamics enriches our understanding of the intricate web of life in freshwater habitats. Balancing their roles within ecosystems and their potential indicators of environmental health is essential for preserving aquatic biodiversity and ensuring the sustainability of freshwater habitats. 10 diagnostic characteristics and examples, biology and 10 economic importance of pentatomody. ChatGPT. Pentatomody, stink bugs, a comprehensive exploration. Pentatomody, commonly known as stink bugs, belong to the family of insects within the order Hemiptera. These insects are recognized for their distinctive scent-producing glands, varied feeding habits, and both ecological and economic significance. Let's delve into the world of pentatomody, covering their diagnostic characteristics, examples, biology, and economic importance. 1. Diagnostic characteristics. Shield-shaped body. Stink bugs typically have a shield-shaped body with a distinct scutellum on their back. Scent glands. They possess specialized scent glands that emit foul-smelling compounds when disturbed. Antennae. Stink bugs have straight antennae with several segments. Piercing sucking mouthparts. Like other Hemiptera, they have piercing sucking mouthparts for feeding on plant fluids. Coloration. Varied colors and patterns, often suited for camouflage. 2. Examples of pentatomody. Green stink bug Chenevia spp, a common agricultural pest that damages crops by feeding on plant sap. Brown marmorated stink bug Palaeomorpha hales, an invasive species causing significant agricultural and nuisance problems. 3. Biology. Feeding habits. Stink bugs are plant feeders, using their piercing sucking mouthparts to extract plant sap. Life cycle. Stink bugs undergo incomplete metamorphosis, with egg, nymph, and adult stages. Behavior. They may aggregate on plants or surfaces, emitting their characteristic odor when disturbed. Defense mechanism. When threatened, stink bugs release foul-smelling compounds to deter predators. 4. Economic importance. Crop pests. Many stink bug species are agricultural pests, causing damage to a wide range of crops by feeding on plant sap. Fruit damage. Some stink bugs target fruit crops, causing cosmetic blemishes and reducing marketability. Vector of plant diseases. Stink bugs can transmit plant pathogens, impacting crop health. Nuisance. Stink bugs can invade homes and structures, becoming a nuisance to homeowners. Beneficial aspects. Some predatory stink bugs feed on other insects, contributing to biological pest control. Research. Stink bugs are studied to understand their biology, behavior, and interactions with plants and other organisms. Research. Stink bugs are studied to understand their biology, behavior, and interactions with plants and other organisms. 5. Management and conservation. Integrated pest management. Strategies involve monitoring populations, cultural practices, biological controls, and targeted pesticide use. Beneficial insects. Encouraging natural predators can help control stink bug populations. In conclusion, pentatomody, or stink bugs, are insects with ecological and economic significance. Their feeding habits, defensive mechanisms, and potential to damage crops underscore their role in agricultural ecosystems. Understanding their biology, behavior, and economic impact is crucial for developing effective pest management strategies while considering their contributions to food chains and ecosystems. Balancing their roles as pests with their potential benefits for natural pest control is essential for sustainable practices and biodiversity conservation. 10 diagnostic characteristics and examples, biology and 10 economic importance of Regibiety. ChatGPT. Regibiety, assassin bugs, a comprehensive exploration. Regibiety, commonly known as assassin bugs, are a diverse family of insects within the order Hemiptera. These insects are recognized for their predatory behavior, specialized mouthparts, and a role in both controlling pest populations and transmitting diseases. Let's delve into the world of Regibiety, covering their diagnostic characteristics. Example. Delve into the world of Regibiety, covering their diagnostic characteristics, examples, biology, and economic importance. 1. Diagnostic characteristics. Predatory adaptations. Assassin bugs have strong, raptorial front legs adapted for capturing and immobilizing prey. Piercing sucking mouthparts. They possess a long, tubular proboscis used for piercing prey and injecting digestive enzymes. Antennae. Assassin bugs have straight antennae with several segments. Coloration. Varied colors and patterns, often suited for camouflage. Elongated body. They typically have an elongated, slender body shape. 2. Examples of Regibiety. Wheelbug airless cristatus, known for its distinctive, cogwheel-like thoracic projection. Kissing bug Triatoma spp, a notable example due to its role in transmitting Chagas disease to humans. 3. Biology. Feeding habits. Assassin bugs are predatory. Kissing bug Triatoma spp, a notable example due to its role in transmitting Chagas disease to humans. 3. Biology. Feeding habits. Assassin bugs are predatory insects, feeding on a wide range of insects, including pests. Prey capture. They immobilize prey by injecting saliva-containing enzymes that break down tissues. Life cycle. Assassin bugs undergo incomplete metamorphosis, with egg, nymph, and adult stages. Behavior. They are ambush predators, lying in wait for suitable prey to approach. 4. Economic importance. Natural pest control. Assassin bugs play a crucial role in controlling pest populations by preying on insects harmful to crops and humans. Bioindicators. Their presence in an ecosystem can indicate a balanced and healthy environment. Disease transmission. Some assassin bugs are vectors of diseases, such as Chagas disease, which affects humans and animals. Agricultural impact. While beneficial, they can occasionally feed on beneficial insects as well. 5. Medical significance. Chagas disease. Certain kissing bug species can transmit Trypanosoma cruzi, the parasite responsible for Chagas disease, to humans through their bite. 6. Research and biotechnology. Venom studies. Assassin bug venom contains bioactive compounds that have potential uses in medicine and pest management. In conclusion, Regibiety, or assassin bugs, are insects with multifaceted roles in ecosystems. While they contribute to natural pest control by preying on other insects, some species can also pose a health risk through disease transmission. Understanding their biology, behavior, and ecological roles is crucial for managing their impact on both agricultural and public health scenarios. Balancing their predatory nature with their potential consequences underscores the importance of their role within the intricate web of life. Medical importance of Regibiety. In detail, very long answer. ChatGPT. Medical importance of Regibiety. Assassin bugs, a comprehensive exploration. Regibiety, commonly known as assassin bugs, are insects that play a significant role in both ecological systems and human health. While many assassin bugs are beneficial predators in controlling pest populations, certain species within the family have gained notoriety due to their ability to transmit diseases to humans and animals. One of the most prominent diseases associated with assassin bugs is Chagas disease, caused by the protozoan parasite Trypanosoma cruzi. Let's explore the medical importance of regividity in detail. Regividity, commonly known as assassin bugs, are insects that play a significant role in both ecological systems and human health. While many assassin bugs are beneficial predators in controlling pest populations, certain species within the family have gained notoriety due to their ability to transmit diseases to humans and animals. One of the most prominent diseases associated with assassin bugs is Chagas disease, caused by the protozoan parasite Trypanosoma cruzi. Let's explore the medical importance of regividity in detail. 1. Chagas disease, American trypanosomiasis. Chagas disease is a serious and potentially life-threatening illness caused by the protozoan parasite Trypanosoma cruzi. The disease is primarily transmitted to humans through the bite of infected assassin bugs, also known as kissing bugs. These bugs typically defecate near the bite wound, introducing the parasite into the host's bloodstream when the bite is scratched. 2. Disease transmission. Assassin bugs become infected with T. cruzi by feeding on infected animals, particularly mammals like rodents and opossums. They can then transmit the parasite to humans when they feed on blood. The parasites can enter the body through mucous membranes or broken skin, leading to infection. 3. Clinical symptoms. Chagas disease has acute and chronic phases. The acute phase is often mild, with symptoms such as fever, fatigue, and swollen lymph nodes. However, the chronic phase can lead to serious complications years or decades later, including heart and digestive problems. In some cases, it can result in heart failure and sudden death. 4. Geographic distribution. Chagas disease is most commonly found in rural areas of Latin America, where the vector species of assassin bugs are prevalent. However, due to globalization and travel, cases have been reported in other regions as well. 5. Control and prevention. Efforts to control Chagas disease focus on vector management, early diagnosis, and treatment. Measures include improving housing conditions to reduce contact with vector bugs, using insecticides, and raising awareness about the disease's transmission. 6. Research and impact. The medical importance of assassin bugs extends. Regividity, commonly known as assassin bugs, are insects that play a significant role in both ecological systems and human health. While many assassin bugs are beneficial predators in controlling pest populations, certain species within the family have gained notoriety due to their ability to transmit diseases to humans and animals. While many assassin bugs are beneficial predators in controlling pest populations, certain species within the family have gained notoriety due to their ability to transmit diseases to humans and animals. One of the most prominent diseases associated with assassin bugs is Chagas disease, caused by the protozoan parasite Trypanosoma cruzi. Let's explore the medical importance of regividity in detail. 1. Chagas disease, American trypanosomiasis. Chagas disease is a serious and potentially life-threatening illness caused by the protozoan parasite Trypanosoma cruzi. The disease is primarily transmitted to humans through the bite of infected assassin bugs, also known as kissing bugs. These bugs typically defecate near the bite wound, introducing the parasite into the host's bloodstream when the bite is scratched. 2. Disease transmission. Assassin bugs become infected with T. cruzi by feeding on infected animals, particularly mammals like rodents and opossums. They can then transmit the parasite to humans when they feed on blood. The parasites can enter the body through mucous membranes or broken skin, leading to infection. 3. Clinical symptoms. Chagas disease has acute and chronic phases. The acute phase is often mild, with symptoms such as fever, fatigue, and swollen lymph nodes. However, the chronic phase can lead to serious complications years or decades later, including heart and digestive problems. In some cases, it can result in heart failure and sudden death. 4. Geographic distribution. Chagas disease is most commonly found in rural areas of Latin America, where the vector species of assassin bugs are prevalent. However, due to globalization and travel, cases have been reported in other regions as well. 5. Control and prevention. Efforts to control Chagas disease focus on vector management, early diagnosis, and treatment. Measures include improving housing conditions to reduce contact with vector bugs, using insecticides, and raising awareness about the disease's transmission. 6. Research and impact. The medical importance of assassin bugs extends beyond Chagas disease. Research on assassin bug venom has revealed potential applications in medicine and biotechnology. Some compounds found in the venom are being studied for the potential to treat pain and certain diseases. In conclusion, while many assassin bugs are beneficial predators in ecosystems, some species within the regividity family have significant medical importance due to their role in transmitting Chagas disease. Understanding the life cycle, transmission, clinical symptoms, and prevention strategies associated with this disease is crucial for public health efforts in affected regions. Balancing the ecological importance of assassin bugs with their potential impact on human health underscores the complex interplay between nature and society. Polymorphism in aphids. In detail, very long answer. ChatGPT. Polymorphism in aphids, a comprehensive exploration. Polymorphism in aphids refers to the phenomenon where individuals of the same species exhibit distinct morphological and behavioral variations within a population. This diversity allows aphids to adapt to different environmental conditions, host plants, and roles within their colonies. The ability to produce various morphs enhances their. Polymorphism in aphids refers to the phenomenon where individuals of the same species exhibit distinct morphological and behavioral variations within a population. This diversity allows aphids to adapt to different environmental conditions, host plants, and roles within their colonies. The ability to produce various morphs enhances their survival and reproductive success in changing environments. Let's delve into the world of polymorphism in aphids, covering its types, causes, ecological significance, and adaptive strategies. 1. Types of polymorphism. Aphids exhibit two main types of polymorphism: winged and wingless forms. Each type can be further subdivided based on their specialized roles within the population. 2. Causes of polymorphism. Polymorphism in aphids is primarily influenced by environmental cues, such as changes in temperature, photoperiod, host plant quality, and population density. These cues trigger hormonal changes that lead to the development of specific morphs. Genetic factors also play a role, as certain alleles control wing development and other traits associated with polymorphism. 3. Ecological significance. Polymorphism in aphids serves various ecological roles that contribute to their overall fitness and success within their habitats. Wingless forms. These forms are typically adapted to feeding on the same plant for an extended period. They reproduce asexually, giving birth to live nymphs. Their morphology often maximizes their ability to extract nutrients from plants. Winged forms. These forms are adapted for dispersal, allowing aphids to colonize new host plants when resources are scarce or conditions change. They possess well-developed wings, which enable them to fly and locate suitable host plants. Winged aphids also have more developed eyes, antennae, and sensory organs to detect host plant cues. 4. Adaptive strategies. Polymorphism in aphids enhances their survival and reproductive success through several adaptive strategies. Seasonal changes. In temperate climates, winged forms are produced in response to changing seasons, helping aphids to colonize new plants in spring and disperse in autumn. Host plant quality. When host plant quality declines, winged forms emerge to locate more suitable plants. Population density. High population density can induce the production of winged forms, allowing aphids to find new feeding sites with less competition. 5. Genetic and hormonal regulation. Polymorphism is underpinned by complex interactions between genes and hormones. Environmental cues trigger hormonal changes that influence gene expression, leading to the development of specific morphs. Hormones like juvenile hormone and ecdysone play vital roles in aphid development and polymorphism. 6. Evolutionary significance. Polymorphism in aphids is an example of phenotypic plasticity, where a single genotype can give rise to multiple phenotypes. This flexibility enables aphids to rapidly respond to changing environmental conditions, enhancing their chances of survival and colonization. 7. Research and implications. Studying polymorphism in aphids provides insights into how organisms adapt to their environment. It also sheds light on the interplay between genes, hormones, and environmental cues in shaping phenotypic diversity. In conclusion, polymorphism in aphids is a fascinating phenomenon that enables these insects to thrive in diverse environments. The ability to produce winged and wingless forms in response to environmental cues enhances their adaptability and survival. Understanding the causes, types, and adaptive strategies of polymorphism contributes to our broader understanding of how organisms cope with changing conditions and the intricate balance between genetics and the environment. Stridulation in cicada in detail. Very long answer. ChatGPT. Stridulation in cicadas, a detailed exploration. Stridulation is a remarkable acoustic behavior exhibited by various insect species, including cicadas. Cicadas are well known for their loud and distinctive calls that resonate through forests and landscapes during the summer months. Stridulation in cicadas involves the production of sounds through specialized structures and behaviors. Let's delve into the world of stridulation in cicadas, covering its mechanisms, functions, and ecological significance. 1. Mechanism of stridulation. Stridulation in cicadas involves the interaction of two specialized structures, the tymbals and the resonating chambers. Tymbals are paired, drum-like structures located on the sides of the cicada's abdomen. When a cicada contracts its internal muscles, the tymbals buckle inwards. Upon relaxation, the tymbals snap back to their original position, creating a clicking sound. This rapid movement is repeated in quick succession to produce the cicada's characteristic. When the cicada contracts its internal muscles, stridulation in cicadas involves the interaction of two specialized structures, the tymbals and the resonating chambers. Tymbals are paired, drum-like structures located on the sides of the cicada's abdomen. When the cicada contracts its internal muscles, the tymbals buckle inwards. Upon relaxation, the tymbals snap back to their original position, creating a clicking sound. This rapid movement is repeated in quick succession to produce the cicada's characteristic song. 2. Sound production and modulation. The sound produced by the tymbals is then amplified and modified by resonating chambers within the cicada's body. These chambers, often located in the abdomen, amplify and shape the acoustic signals, creating the distinctive tones and patterns associated with different species of cicadas. 3. Functions of stridulation. Stridulation in cicadas serves several important functions. Mate attraction. Male cicadas use their calls to attract females. Each species has a unique call pattern that helps females recognize suitable mates. Territorial defense. Males establish and defend territories using their calls, which signal their presence and deter other males. Species recognition. The distinct calls of different cicada species help prevent cross-mating between species and ensure successful reproduction within a species. Communication. Cicadas communicate with each other through calls. Each species has a unique call pattern that helps females recognize suitable mates. Territorial defense. Males establish and defend territories using their calls, which signal their presence and deter other males. Species recognition. The distinct calls of different cicada species help prevent cross-mating between species and ensure successful reproduction within a species. Communication. Cicadas communicate with each other through calls, aiding in locating potential mates and coordinating activities. 4. Variation in calls. Different species of cicadas produce calls with varying patterns, frequencies, and rhythms. These variations allow cicadas to occupy specific ecological niches and habitats without interfering with other cicada species communication. 5. Acoustic ecology and predation. Cicada calls are well adapted to their environments. Loud calls can carry through dense vegetation, helping cicadas communicate in forested habitats. However, these calls also attract predators, such as birds and mammals, which rely on the audible signals to locate their prey. 6. Periodical cicada phenomenon. Some cicada species, known as periodical cicadas, have synchronized life cycles of 13 or 17 years. They emerge in massive numbers, producing a chorus of deafening calls that can be heard for miles. This phenomenon is still being studied to understand its evolutionary significance. 7. Research and applications. Studying cicada stridulation provides insights into the evolution of acoustic communication, adaptations to specific habitats, and the coevolution between cicadas and their predators. In conclusion, stridulation in cicadas is a fascinating and complex form of acoustic communication that serves multiple vital functions in their lives. The mechanisms involved in producing their calls, coupled with the diversity of sounds and patterns across different species, highlight the intricacies of evolution and adaptation in the insect world. Understanding cicada stridulation enhances our appreciation for the natural world's auditory landscape and contributes to the broader field of animal behavior and communication. 10 diagnostic characteristics and examples, biology and 10 economic importance of Socophthera. ChatGPT. Socophthera, book lice and bark lice, a comprehensive exploration. Socophthera, commonly known as book lice and bark lice, are a diverse order of small insects with intriguing behaviors and roles within ecosystems. While they are often overlooked due to their tiny size, these insects play significant roles in various habitats and have both positive and negative impacts on human activities. Let's delve into the world of Socophthera, covering their diagnostic characteristics, examples, biology, and economic importance. 1. Diagnostic characteristics. Small size. Socophthera are typically small insects, ranging from 1 to 10 millimeters in length. Soft body. They have soft, delicate bodies covered with fine scales or hairs. Antennae. Socophthera possess long, segmented antennae. Wing morphology. Some species have fully developed wings, while others are wingless or have reduced wings. Mouthparts. Chewing mouthparts are common, but some species have piercing sucking mouthparts. 2. Examples of Socophthera. Book lice live often found in homes, feeding on mold, fungi, and organic debris. Bark lice society often found on trees and shrubs, feeding on lichens, algae, and plant materials. 3. Biology. Habitats. Socophthera inhabit diverse environments, including leaf litter, bark, caves, and buildings. Feeding habits. They feed on a variety of organic materials, such as fungi, algae, lichens, pollen, and detritus. Reproduction. Many Socophtheran species reproduce through internal fertilization, with females laying eggs that hatch into nymphs. 4. Ecological significance. Detritivores. Socophthera play a crucial role in breaking down organic matter, contributing to nutrient cycling in ecosystems. Lichen and algae consumers. Bark lice help control the growth of lichens and algae on trees and shrubs. 5. Economic importance. Pest species. Some Socophtheran species can become pests in homes and libraries, feeding on paper, textiles, and stored food. Beneficial species. Socophthera contribute to organic matter decomposition and help control lichen and algae growth. 6. Indoor nuisance. Book lice infestations. Book lice can be a nuisance in homes, especially in humid conditions where they feed on mold and mildew. Damage to stored items. Socophthera can damage stored food products and natural history collections. 7. Research and conservation. Ecological studies. Socophthera are studied to understand their roles in nutrient cycling, ecosystem processes, and interactions with other organisms. Species discovery. Ongoing research reveals new species within this diverse and understudied order. In conclusion, Socophthera, encompassing book lice and bark lice, are small insects with diverse ecological roles and varying impacts on human activities. Their contributions to organic matter decomposition, control of lichen and algae growth, and roles within ecosystems highlight their ecological significance. While some species can become pests indoors, others play beneficial roles in maintaining balanced ecological processes. Understanding the biology, diversity, and interactions of Socophthera enhances our appreciation for their roles in the natural world and emphasizes the importance of integrated pest management and conservation efforts. 10 diagnostic characteristics and examples, biology and 10 economic importance of 11. Phyraptera. ChatGPT. Phyraptera lice, a comprehensive exploration. Phyraptera, commonly known as lice, are a diverse order of wingless insects that are highly adapted to parasitic or ectoparasitic lifestyles on birds and mammals. These insects have co-evolved with their hosts and have both direct and indirect effects on human health and economic activities. Let's delve into the world of Phyraptera, covering their diagnostic characteristics, examples, biology, and economic importance. 1. Diagnostic characteristics. Small size. Lice are small insects, often measuring only a few millimeters in length. Winglessness. They lack wings, an adaptation to their ectoparasitic lifestyle on hosts. Modified mouthparts. Lice have specialized mouthparts adapted for piercing and sucking blood or feeding on skin debris. Clinging legs. Lice possess legs adapted for clinging to hair or feathers, with specialized claws for grasping. Host specificity. Lice are usually highly host specific, adapted to a particular host species or group. 2. Examples of Phyraptera. Chewing lice Melophaga. These lice have chewing mouthparts and feed on feathers, skin debris, and blood. Sucking lice Anaphora. These lice have piercing sucking mouthparts and feed on blood. 3. Biology. Ectoparasites. Lice are obligate ectoparasites, living on the external surfaces of their host body. Host-dependent. Lice are highly adapted to their host species, often co-evolving with them. Life cycle. Lice undergo simple metamorphosis with egg, nymph, and adult stages. Transmission. Lice are typically transmitted through direct contact between hosts or by sharing contaminated items. 4. Economic importance. Pest species. Lice infestations can lead to discomfort, skin irritation, and allergic reactions in humans and animals. Economic losses. In livestock and poultry industries, lice infestations can reduce productivity and affect the quality of animal products. Disease transmission. Although rare, some lice can transmit diseases, such as relapsing fever and trench fever. 5. Human health impact. Human lice. Human lice species infest humans, causing itching, skin irritation, and secondary infections. Public health concerns. Lice infestations in crowded environments can lead to public health concerns and social stigmatization. 6. Control and management. Hygiene and sanitation. Proper hygiene and cleanliness help prevent lice infestations. Medications. Insecticidal treatments are used to control lice infestations in animals and humans. 7. Research and evolutionary insights. Host-parasite coevolution. Lice provide insights into the coevolutionary relationships between parasites and their hosts. Phylogenetic studies. Lice phylogenetics shed light on host evolutionary history and ancient dispersal events. In conclusion, Phyraphthora, or lice, are insects with significant impacts on both human and animal health, as well as economic activities. Their highly specialized adaptations for parasitism, host specificity, and complex interactions with their hosts offer a unique perspective on the intricacies of host-parasite relationships. Understanding their biology, impact on hosts, and roles in ecosystems contributes to our broader understanding of the complex interplay between insects and their environments. Balancing the challenges posed by lice with the insights they offer into evolutionary processes highlights the multifaceted nature of these small but impactful insects. Pediculus humanus and its parasitic adaptations in detail. Very long answer. ChatGPT. Pediculus humanus, a detailed exploration of parasitic adaptations. Pediculus humanus, commonly known as the human body louse, is a species of parasitic louse that has co-evolved with humans for thousands of years. This insect exhibits a range of adaptations that allow it to thrive in its unique parasitic lifestyle, while also posing health risks to its human host. Let's delve into the world of Pediculus humanus, covering its parasitic adaptations, life cycle, feeding behavior, and implications for human health. 1. Adaptations for parasitism. Pediculus humanus has evolved several adaptations that enable it to survive as a parasite on human hosts. Modified mouthparts. The mouthparts of P. humanus are adapted for piercing the skin and sucking blood. The louse inserts its needle-like stylus into the host skin to access blood vessels. Reduced wings. Modified mouthparts. The mouthparts of P. humanus are adapted for piercing the skin and sucking blood. The louse inserts its needle-like stylus into the host skin to access blood vessels. Reduced wings. P. humanus has lost its wings over time, an adaptation common in parasitic insects that no longer need to fly. Clinging legs. The louse's legs are equipped with specialized claws that allow it to cling tightly to human hair or clothing, preventing it from being dislodged. Camouflage appearance. P. humanus has a coloration that helps it blend in with human skin and hair, reducing the chances of being detected by the host. 2. Life cycle. The life cycle of Pediculus humanus consists of 3 main stages: egg, nymph, and adult. Eggs. Nits. Female lice lay eggs, or nits, close to the base of human hair. Nits are oval shaped. Nits are oval-shaped, attached to hair shafts using a specialized glue-like substance. Nymphs. Once the nits hatch, nymphs emerge. Nits are oval-shaped, attached to hair shafts using a specialized glue-like substance. Nymphs. Once the nits hatch, nymphs emerge. They resemble adult lice but are smaller and go through several molts before reaching adulthood. Adults. Fully mature adult lice are about 2 to 4 millimeters in length. They feed on blood several times a day and reproduce by laying eggs. 3. Feeding behavior. Pediculus humanus feeds on human blood using its specialized mouthparts. It pierces the skin, injects anticoagulants to prevent blood clotting, and then sucks up blood from the host's capillaries. The louse's digestive system is adapted to process blood, and it excretes waste as tiny red or brown dots that may be visible on the host's clothing or bedding. The louse's digestive system is adapted to process blood, and it excretes waste as tiny red or brown dots that may be visible on the host's clothing or bedding. 4. Implications for human. 4. Implications for human health. Pediculus humanus is associated with various health concerns. Itching and discomfort. Lice bites can cause intense itching and discomfort due to the body's allergic reaction to their saliva. Secondary infections. Scratching the bites can lead to open sores, increasing the risk of bacterial infections. Disease transmission. While not a common vector of disease, body lice are known to transmit bacterial pathogens such as Rickettsia prowazekii, the causative agent of epidemic typhus. 5. Socioeconomic factors. Lice infestations are more common in overcrowded or unsanitary living conditions. They can affect individuals regardless of their hygiene practices and have a social stigma associated with them. 6. Control and management. Controlling Pediculus humanus infestations involves various strategies. Personal hygiene. Maintaining personal hygiene and regularly washing clothes and bedding can help prevent infestations. Medications. Insecticidal treatments, such as shampoos and lotions containing pyrethroids, are used to treat infestations. In conclusion, Pediculus humanus exemplifies the intricate adaptations that parasites have developed to thrive within their hosts. While these adaptations enable the louse to survive and reproduce, they also pose health risks to humans. Studying the biology and behavior of P. humanus enhances our understanding of host-parasite relationships and the complex interactions between insects and their hosts. Balancing the challenges posed by human body lice with effective control measures underscores the importance of public health efforts in managing parasitic infestations and their impact on human well-being. 10 diagnostic characteristics and examples, biology and 10 economic importance of Dermaptera in detail. ChatGPT. Dermaptera earwigs, a comprehensive exploration. Dermaptera, commonly known as earwigs, are a diverse order of insects with fascinating morphological. Dermaptera, commonly known as earwigs, are a diverse order of insects with fascinating morphological features and behaviors. While they often evoke curiosity due to their unique cerci and wing structures, earwigs also have ecological roles and impacts on agriculture and horticulture. Let's delve into the world of Dermaptera, covering their diagnostic characteristics, examples, biology, and economic importance. 1. Diagnostic characteristics. Cerci. Earwigs are characterized by their distinctive cerci, forceps-like appendages at the tip of the abdomen. Modified forewings. The forewings of earwigs are usually short and leathery, resembling tegmina, and are used for protection. Hind wings. While some species have fully developed hind wings, others lack them altogether. Antennae. Earwigs possess long, thread-like antennae with multiple segments. Pincer-like appendages. The cerci and forceps can be used for defense, prey capture, and grooming. 2. Examples of Dermaptera. Common earwig Forficula auricularia found in various habitats, including gardens and urban areas. Ring-leg earwig Uberlia annulix often found in crop fields and gardens. 3. Biology. Nocturnal activity. Most earwigs are nocturnal, seeking shelter in crevices and dark places during the day. Diverse diet. Earwigs are omnivorous, feeding on plant matter, insects, decaying organic material, and occasionally other earwigs. Maternal care. Female earwigs care for their eggs and nymphs, guarding them and providing protection. 4. Ecological significance. Decomposers. Earwigs contribute to nutrient cycling by consuming decaying organic matter. Predators and scavengers. They feed on a variety of insects and arthropods, helping control pest populations. 5. Economic importance. Garden pests. Some earwig species can be considered garden pests, feeding on plants, fruits, and flowers. Agricultural impact. Earwigs can damage crops like corn, lettuce, and fruits, affecting yields and quality. Biological control. While considered pests in some situations, earwigs can also act as predators of other pests, providing natural pest control. 6. Pest management. Cultural practices. Removing debris and providing habitats for natural enemies can help control earwig populations. Physical barriers. Using barriers like sticky traps or diatomaceous earth can prevent earwigs from reaching plants. 7. Behavior and communication. Physical barriers. Using barriers like sticky traps or diatomaceous earth can prevent earwigs from reaching plants. 7. Behavior and communication. Pheromones. Earwigs use chemical communication through pheromones to signal mating readiness and to aggregate. Parental care. Some species display maternal care, guarding eggs and nymphs from predators. 8. Research and implications. Evolutionary studies. Dermaptera offer insights into the evolution of wing structures and behaviors in insects. Behavioral ecology. Research on earwig behaviors provides insights into their roles within ecosystems. In conclusion, Dermaptera, or earwigs, are insects with unique morphological features and behaviors that have ecological roles and both positive and negative impacts on human activities. While some species can be pests in agricultural settings, others contribute to natural pest control. Understanding the adaptations, behaviors, and ecological significance of earwigs enriches our understanding of the diversity and complexity of the insect world and informs pest management strategies in agriculture and horticulture. Sexual dimorphism and parental care in Dermaptera in detail. Very long answer. ChatGPT. Sexual dimorphism and parental care in Dermaptera, a comprehensive exploration. Sexual dimorphism, the distinct differences in appearance and behavior between males and females of the same species, is a fascinating phenomenon observed in many organisms, including insects. Dermaptera, commonly known as earwigs, exhibit sexual dimorphism in various aspects of their morphology and behavior. Additionally, some species of earwigs display remarkable parental care behaviors that contribute to their survival and reproductive success. Let's delve into the world of sexual dimorphism and parental care in Dermaptera, covering their mechanisms, ecological significance, and evolutionary implications. Sexual dimorphism in Dermaptera, morphological differences. Forceps cerci. One of the most distinctive features of sexual dimorphism in earwigs is the difference in the size and shape of the forceps cerci located at the end of the abdomen. In males, the cerci are usually larger and more curved, while in females, they are smaller and straighter. Size and color. In some species, males and females may differ in size and coloration. Males are often slightly smaller, with brighter colors or different patterns. Behavioral differences. Mating behavior. Males use their specialized forceps during mating to grasp the female's body. This behavior facilitates copulation and prevents the female from mating with other males. Aggressive interactions. Males may use their forceps for aggressive interactions with rival males during territorial disputes or competitions for mates. Parental care in Dermaptera. Egg laying and care. Maternal. Sexual dimorphism in Dermaptera. Morphological differences. Forceps cerci. One of the most distinctive features of sexual dimorphism in earwigs is the difference in the size and shape of the forceps cerci located at the end of the abdomen. In males, the cerci are usually larger and more curved, while in females, they are smaller and straighter. Size and color. In some species, males and females may differ in size and coloration. Males are often slightly smaller, with brighter colors or different patterns. Behavioral differences. Mating behavior. Males use their specialized forceps during mating to grasp the female's body. This behavior facilitates copulation and prevents the female from mating with other males. Aggressive interactions. Males may use their forceps for aggressive interactions with rival males during territorial disputes or competitions for mates. Parental care in Dermaptera. Egg laying and care. Maternal care. Some species of earwigs exhibit maternal care, where the female guards and cares for her eggs. She may also provide protection for the hatched nymphs. Brood defense. The female positions herself over the eggs or nymphs, using her body to shield them from potential threats. Ecological significance. Enhanced survival. Parental care enhances the survival of eggs and nymphs, reducing predation and environmental risks. Optimal conditions. The female's presence ensures that the eggs and nymphs are maintained in optimal conditions, such as humidity and temperature. Evolutionary implications. Fitness benefits. Parental care increases the fitness of the offspring, contributing to the evolutionary success of the species. Social level.